Hey everyone, and welcome back to another training opportunity with Avexia Diagnostics. Today we're going to be talking about promo pages. So today's video was going to cover the creation of a promo page as well as some edits and how to quickly change the total price for any promo page that you have. So from your dashboard, you're going to jump into the promo page side here, at which time you're going to see all these promo pages you may have created already. But in this circumstance, we're going to start from scratch. So we're going to start with the blue button up here to create a promo page. Here you can see all the fields. You're going to have first have the information about the page. So you're going to talk about the test itself, all the rest of the descriptors that are going to explain why it's important to be able to order this test and what benefits there are of the, say, biomarkers of the result itself and what you're going to learn from discovering that objective look at your health. And then you're going to have the personal branding where you can select your practitioner information and add a little bit about yourself. You can throw your brand image here, as well as you can also put a quick video if it, say, summarizes your business, your niche, your experience in a specific field, or the specific test that you're ordering. If you want to shoot a video just like this where it explains, say, hey, here's a minute and a half to talk about the benefits of gut health testing with me, Health Coach Mark. So that's the kind of information that you can add here. So once you have that information loaded in, you'll have all your summary, your description, your practitioner bio, you have your file ready to go, so you're logoed up and ready to go for brand significance. Then you'll be able to create it and you'll be able to pick your test next. So here's where you're going to get access to our test menu. You're going to jump in here and all the different type of tests that we have. So for this one, we're going to look at gut health. And then you're going to find all the opportunities that you have. So you see all these wonderful options that you have through the Avexia platform. Simply click the action button to throw that onto your promo page. Here's where we're going to talk about the improvements that we've made. So one of the things we've heard about is the fees and so forth add up to the total, and you wanted to figure out how to make that, say, adjust to fit all your needs. And obviously, while you're operating a clinic, one of the things that you may want to do is include a read fee or so forth. You can add that here in the final price by simply clicking this edit button right here. And you can move that to wherever you need to fit your financial requirements of your business. Once you have that in, you can also click right here to create that URL. Once that URL is created, you can preview it to be able to make sure your page looks and feels the way that you want to, make your adjustments from there. Here's the summary again, so you can see all the contents, you can see your image, and then you can also see the summary of the service fees, the overall platform fees, everything else right here. You can see that this is going to be the delta that you get paid back from Avexia every time that test sells from the landing page. And here's your total that you looked at before, $400. So that sets you up for success, so that you're ready to roll. So now we're going to go ahead and create the URL. Got that page rolling, and what you can simply do is copy it. And if you want to get a quick preview, here you go. Now you got your total view of the page itself, and here you see that total we talked about before. All your patients are going to see this. They're going to land on that page, finish the purchase by registering themselves as a patient, and you're going to get a notification every time that transacts, so that you're ready to roll. So that's a summary of today's video. Hopefully that helps be able to see the top level. Let's walk through it one more time from this side. So once you see promo pages and you want to make some adjustments, you can simply just pick one of those. You can click the edit button here, and underneath of that, you'll be able to make those pricing adjustments like we talked about before. So say if the $350 doesn't cover the financial requirements, simply move it to $400 and click that green button. It'll change that to $400 over here, and then you can save it and you're ready to roll. So now your URL can be updated and ready to roll for every one of your applications there forward, so that you've got all the rest of the details you need to run your business successfully and have those beautiful landing pages ready for patients to check out. Any questions along the way, always feel free to touch base with us. We're always here to help from the Mastery and Account Management Group. Avexia Diagnostics has one of the best, absolute best client success groups, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks.